Okay, when we checked this last, we adjusted the brakes and greased the wheel bearings, but we noticed that the brakes were pretty low, so we're going to try to change them today. I bought some of the Vevor brake backing plates with shoes and everything, and they're self-adjusting. I hope they fit. We'll see. I'm going to pull this apart. We'll go from there. Yep, that's what we try to avoid. Okay, this is the new backing plate with shoes and everything. Well, the opening looks the same. Yeah, that opening looks the same. So I think we're going to pull one of these off and just look at it and see. Let's see if it fits the drum. Well, it fits the drum good. Okay, let's check the distance from the backing plate to the top of the shoe. It's supposed to be about 2 1/4. Let's check the ones that are on there now. Yeah, it's about the same. Okay, let's pull this off of here. It actually looks like it might work. So let's pull the studs off of that backing plate and put them on this backing plate and we'll try it. Okay, let's stick this on there and see if it fits. Start with the top one. I'll put a lock washer and a nut. That's this one. Lock washer and nut. Oh, kind of right, so that's nice. I don't have to roll anything out. Okay, we're going to use these here. You got to apply heat, and then it's got solder on there that will make the connection. So let's get these off of here. Okay. Let's cut these connectors off. Cut it right there. Right there. Well, let's expose some wire. There's one. There's the other one. Let's clean these a little bit. Put these in here. So this seals around the insulation and solders the connection and everything all at once. So, okay, well, that one can sit there for a minute. And then the wires don't matter which one goes on where. Since this is just a coil, it just makes a loop. So just get the solder, which is that center part, right on the copper. Okay, here we go. Let's heat it up. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, but we got good solder connection, and then it insulates all the way around the wire. So I think I like that better than a crimped connection. Definitely better for weather. So now let's see if this brake works. Okay, they're actually working. I just didn't have it engaged enough. So all we got to do now is just finish changing all the brakes. Okay, so that concludes the brakes. We got brakes all the way around. We use the Vevor brakes. I got them on Amazon. Pretty cheap. They seem to be built well, but let's see how they function. We'll give them a try. We'll let you know how they worked out. Here we are trying out the Vevor brakes. Looks like they stop really well. I've got a pretty good load. I don't know if you can tell. Got the trailers pretty full. I would say we got maybe 7,000 pounds up there, and it stops well. The brakes haven't even seated yet, so I think they're going to work out well. I'll keep you posted. We'll keep an eye on them as we use them.